Let's break down how much does a concrete driveway cost in 2026. Here's what you need to know. Concrete driveway costs range from $3.12 plus per square foot in 2026. Discover pricing factors, regional NC rates, and what affects your final quote. Quick answer: concrete driveways cost $3.12 plus per square foot in 2026, with most residential projects in North Carolina running $4,800 to $9,600 for a standard two-car slab. Price depends on size, site prep, slab depth, and finishing type. When you're ready to replace your old driveway or add one to your home, concrete is usually the most affordable and durable option available. But pricing varies widely, not just between contractors, but between regions and project types. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company operates on a straightforward principle: homeowners pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting you from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This post breaks down what a driveway actually costs in 2026, what moves the needle on pricing, and how to avoid overpaying. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company handles driveway projects from 400 to 1,000 plus square feet, with costs typically ranging from $4,800 to $12,000 for a standard 1,200 square foot two-car driveway. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. A typical North Carolina driveway requires 4 to 6 inches of concrete depth, proper subgrade preparation, and finishing work that takes 5 to 7 days from excavation to final cure. This approach protects homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines poor concrete contracting. Moving on to concrete driveway pricing breakdown. The price of a concrete driveway breaks down into 3 main buckets: materials, labor, and site preparation. On a per square foot basis, you'll typically see quotes between $3 and $12 per square foot, with the broad range reflecting differences in project scope, finish quality, and local market conditions. Cost per square foot: 1,200 square feet total. Standard broom finish for inch. Next up, what affects your final cost? Several concrete-specific factors move the price needle significantly. Understanding them helps you anticipate your quote and avoid surprises. Slab depth. Most residential driveways are 4 inches thick. Thicker slabs, 5 to 6 inches, cost 10 to 20% more but resist heavy loads and frost heave better, particularly valuable in North Carolina counties prone to freeze-thaw cycles. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.